Hey guys, now here we have the Doogee latest radio phone, Doogee S Mini, and as we can see, this is a very small size radio device, and this also get a real display screen, and also this is the first small size radio device from Doogee, and also this is the frame design framework. It uses the very traditional radio phone design, and they use the power button plus fingerprint button, combined button, and both the left and right framework they use the metal material, and they put some special lines and textures on the buttons to make this more not so smooth, and the buttons are more easy to press. So this front side is used a 4.5 inch QHD plus IPS disc screen, and here you find they also use the Android setting system. This time the dimension of this device is 133 length and width 60 mm and depth 13.5 mm. So it's a very small size smartphone, and also the weight is only 155 grams, and light radio device from Doogee. And also this time the battery is they provide a 3000 battery with 18 watt fast charging. About the RAM and ROM, is used the 8 GB RAM plus 7 expandable virtual RAM. Yes, here we need to restart to get it. The totally is 15 GB RAM. We can check it after I turn on the device. Sorry, so totally 15 RAM. And our ROM is get 256 GB ROM, and also it can be extended to 2 TB with TF card, and also this time they support a dual SIM card, nano SIM, and dual nano SIM. Also about the GPU, they use the Helio G99 octa-core processor, maximum 2.2 GHz, and is a 6 nanometers producing technology chips. And yes, so this is the basic specification about this device. And about the camera, I will have a very simple test on the camera. So about the main real camera is 50 megapixel, and the macro camera 2 megapixel, and front one 8 megapixel. So from the specification about the device, we will say that it just get a very low, with a bit low to end specification about this device, but it also gets some cool features, like the second screen. I think it's most attractive features about this device. I will show you later, and it can show the battery icon and the date, the temperature, and yes, so this is very convenient, useful features about this device. And also it also support IP68, IP69K, and military standard 810H. And about the special features I showed you, you can set the easy key to get the screenshot and to turn on the light turn on the push to talk application. As I showed, you just need to download the Zero from the Google Play and you get the push to talk application. Yeah. So this palm-sized design smartphone is it really can be a second or your backup device. And here I will show you how the rear camera works. So it's when charging it shows the status charging at on the second screen, the real screen. Here we can set it. Yep, date, time, temperature, centigrade, Fahrenheit, and also other set. You can set it, so it's very easy to set the real screen, the second screen. And also about the camera, now I'm going to have a very simple test of the camera. So we have a few features, different filters. Yes, it's a 4 times zoom performance and no wide angle. Okay, I will put the sample pictures later. And here we show you the macro camera. Yeah, so this is the camera, and also the promote light is about night mode, give panorama, promote. Okay, so just may set features settings for the camera, and also the zoom, no zoom. Yes, okay, also about the back panel, with different angle it will show different color. So this is also very cool design. I think they inherit from the Doogee V1S110 and Doogee V31 GT. And so this is the front one. And the graded color, it's more fashion. And here, the last part, it's the IP68 and outdoor test, so we can enjoy it. So no, it's not IP68 rating waterproof test, it's just very simple test, but it's also okay. Yeah, show you. again. Yes, we can set it again here. Show you. Before I forgot to tell you that if we need to show the temperature and the battery icon, battery capacity left, you need to turn on the Wi-Fi. So that really matters. Yes. Yes, it's really it's tiny and looks good when we put it, when we use it in Roger's in outside. It's very cool. Just enjoy the pictures about this. It's fun.